Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Arfan. Saya ingin menjelaskan materi bahasa Inggris yang sebelumnya sudah dijelaskan, yaitu tugas bahasa Inggris. Di sini dalam tugas bahasa Inggris ini sudah menjelaskan how many sentences do you find. Di sini juga terdapat kalimat yang harus menjelaskan is the sentence in the present, past, or future. Untuk langkah selanjutnya yaitu saya akan coba menjelaskan teks yang sudah diberikan, yaitu yang pertama the text for the presentation. Number 1. In the 1191 rabbit-free Australia lands camping to replay the Easter Bunny with the irreversibly rabbits as threatens the destroy food and the land. Companies make chocolate baby for Easter. Untuk teks yang kedua yaitu pouring water to the others is a police arrested tradition called something dies. On Easter Monday, boys treat to the range of people with bags of water. Desperate dreams of anything around them. Legend says girls will get soaked will marry with the year. Untuk teks yang ketiga yaitu centering friends in people make a grain omelette in the town's main surprise. They come from the story of Napoleon. Napoleon and his army were traveling through the south of France. They stopped in small town and ate omelets. Itu merupakan teks yang diberikan oleh dosen saya. Saya akan mencoba mencari apakah itu teks tersebut merupakan bentuk present, past, or future.
Baik, di sini saya akan menjawab pertanyaan dari dosen saya, yaitu how many sentences do you find? 11 sentences on test take. In number 1, 3 and 3 sentences. There are 4 sentences in number 2 and 3 and 4 sentences in the number 3. Connect teks yang pertama yaitu is the sentence in the present, past, or future. Di situ saya harus menjelaskan. Di sini dapat saya jelaskan dalam teks tersebut, yaitu in 1191 rabbit-free Australian lands camping to replace the Easter Bunny with the irreversible or rabbit red bandicoot. Subjeknya yaitu Rabbit Free Australia. Verb to lancet the sentence at simple past tense because it as verb to and explain about something in the past. Untuk teks yang kedua yaitu Australian consider rabbit as pet that destroy troop and the land. Subjeknya yaitu Australian verb 1 consider this sentence as simple present tense because it as verb 1 explain about the fact. Yang ketiga yaitu companies make chocolate babies for Easter. Subject companies verb 1 make this sentence in the present and a simple present tense because it as verb 1 and explain about fact. Teks yang kedua yaitu pouring water to other is a police arrest tradition challenge. Subject yaitu pouring water to others to be is the sentence in the present time and a simple present time because it has to be is and explain about fact. Yang kedua yaitu on Easter Monday, boys three dance of people with bucket of water. Subjeknya itu boys verb 1 three this sentence in the present time and as simple present tense because it as verb 1 and explain about fact. Yang ketiga yaitu the secret gains of anything around them. Subjeknya itu they verb 1 secret this sentence in the present time and a simple present tense because it has verb one and explain about fact. Yang keempat yaitu legend say girls who get will marry with the year. Subjeknya yaitu legend, verb one says. This sentence in the present time and so simple present tense because it has verb one and explain about fact. Teks yang ketiga yaitu in some turn form people make a green omelette is the town in Main Square. Subjeknya yaitu people verb one make this sentence in the present time and a simple present tense because it has verb one and explain about fact. Yang kedua yaitu it's come from the story of Napoleon. Subjeknya it verb one comes this sentence in the present time and a simple present tense because it has verb one and explain about fact. Yang ketiga yaitu Napoleon and his army were traveling through the South France. Subjeknya yaitu Napoleon and his army to be were this sentence in the past time and a simple present tense because it has to be were and explain about his story. Yang keempat yaitu they stopped in a small town and ate omelette. Subjeknya yaitu they verb to stupid this sentence in the past tense and a simple past tense because it has verb to and explain about his story. Mungkin hanya cukup sekian dari penjelasan saya, kurang dan lebihnya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.